Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from test of mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is very well known by Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institution to help the students in their preparation for PSTAT or BMAT examination. So let's start with this problem. We have to draw the region of points xy in the plane which satisfy modulus of y is less than equals to modulus of x is less than equals to 1. So let's start the solution of this problem. The graph of modulus of y is less than equals to modulus of x is as follows. Okay, so this is the required curve. This straight line is y is equals to minus x and this one is y equals to x. Okay, and the shaded region denotes modulus of y is less than equals to modulus of x. Okay, now the graph of modulus of x is less than equals to 1 is as follows. So this is the pictorial representation of a modulus of x is less than equals to 1, and the shaded region denotes this. So the combined graph of modulus of y is less than equals to modulus of x is less than equals to 1 will be this. This is something like an intersection portion of these two graphs, and if we see the graph logically, then we can see that the intersection of these two graphs is nothing but this graph. Therefore, the combined graph is denoted by the shaded portion. Shaded region represents the combined graph, that is modulus of x which is less than equals to modulus of y which is less than equals to modulus of x which is less than equals to 1. Okay, so that's all for today. We Sources classes provide different study materials and mock test papers on the examination of the STAT BMAT for I.S.I. So you can join us, and you also can check our website for further details, and please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. So thank you very much.